Alright guys, I'm testing out this tiny industrial wagon. I've been testing out a lot of these kinds of things lately, and a lot of times they're massive, they're big, like you can hold a lot of stuff in them. This one's kind of the opposite. And not to say you can't carry a lot, like it's still got a good size capacity in here. It's like 20 inches long by, let's see, 13 inches wide, and it has a depth of about 11 inches, so still has plenty of capacity in there to haul some stuff around, whether toys or even a child, small child. But if you like this form, if you like this kind of industrial wagon type thing that has these really nice industrial wheels, all-terrain wheels, so you can roll over just about anything, but don't want one of those huge ones, massive ones. This is a probably good size. It's smaller than a lot of ones that I've tested, and yet it still has that same capacity to go over any terrain. Really useful for just rolling around just about anywhere. Yeah, I mean, these things have gotten popular for a reason because they're so handy. And of course, what makes them handy too is that you can store them in a small space. So this one compacts like this, stores vertically like that. Of course, you can lower that handle too by pushing in this little rod there and pushing it down, but I can't do it one-handed. So yeah, these are great little wagons, and like I said, this one's not massive, so it's not going to take up a whole lot of space. This one's more for like if you just want some, just carry around or roll around some smaller things and don't want a massive, huge wagon. This is a smaller one, but the same kind of thing, so you can just very easily roll it around. Yeah. It's great for if you want a smaller one, like I said. Can't emphasize that enough. This one's smaller than the other ones, and yet might be exactly what you're looking for. So yeah, I do like these things. Definitely recommend them. They're great little wagons.